Hey everybody, Baseball Card Boys are back with another video.
Yeah.
We haven't had a video in quite a while.
Yeah.
But today, as you can see, we are doing our very first
Rookie card explosion box.
by Philmington. So we just got this in the mail today. We're pretty excited about it. We're brand new subscribers to the Rookie Card Explosion box, and we're looking forward to it. So without further ado, here we go. So we watched a bunch of other videos of others opening these, and they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
He does a great job with the selection, and then shows us exactly what the lineup is and some other things, like the popular rookies out of each pack in this series. So we'll keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
Right? I think the packs are probably pretty much in order as they are on the sheet there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we've got 82 Don Russ, 86 Topps, or I'm sorry, O-Pee-Chee. Yeah, so it'll look like the 86 Topps, but the O-Pee-Chee. 93 Topps, Series 1. 2010 Topps, Update Series. 2015 Update. 2016 Bowman. 2016 Topps Chrome. 2018 Topps Chrome. 2018 Heritage High Number. 2018 Update. 2019 Series 2. And 2019 Minor League Heritage. So we'll start right out with pack number 1. So in the 82 Don Russ, the popular rookies that we're looking to keep an eye out for: Cal Ripken and Lee Smith. Okay. So there's our puzzle piece. Like Easler, like Sosha, Dan Spillner, Brian Kingman, Gene Tenace, checklist. Oh, there's a cut piece of a corner of a card, looks like. Jim Clancy, Hoskin Powell, Dave Goltz, Steve Braun, Jerry Remy, Mike Easler, that's the second one of those, Vita Blue, and John Lowenstein. Not much in that pack.
Not much.
No. Alright, so next pack is our 86 O-Pee-Chee. So you can see it looks like just like the 86 Topps, but that O-Pee-Chee. Look. Oh,
Yeah.
And there's our gum card. So we'll leave that alone for now. Who are we looking for here? No notable rookies, but we're looking for stars. Okay.
Yeah.
So pretty cool though. We don't see O-Pee-Chee too often. Bob Clark, Larry Williams, Dave Steeb,
What does?
Dick Schofield, Jesse Barfield, Bob Stanley, Terry Kennedy, and our gum card, Kurt Wilkerson. All right. Now we're on to 93 Topps Series 1, which of course has the Derek Jeter rookie card.
Derek Jeter. Mm-hmm.
And boy, if we were ever to find a Derek Jeter Topps gold card, that would be pretty cool. Well, there's a gold card there. It's kind of hard to see Leo Gomez. Chris Nebels. Luis Salazar. Checklist. Jeff Montgomery. Luis Alicia. Joey Cora. Sandy Alomar. Jeff Grotewald. Mike Gardner. Pedro Munoz. Devon White. Robin Yount. Denny Nagel. Mike Magnenti. Robin Yount card's kind of cool. All right, so next one. 2010 Topps Update. We're looking for base and parallel cards of Mike Juan Carlos Stanton, Josh Donaldson, Lorenzo Cain, or Carlos Santana. There's Chris Young, Home Run Derby, Justin Verlander, Matt Holliday, Starlin Castro,
Cubs.
Austin Kearns, Coy Hill, Juan Martinez. It's kind of a neat card there. Adam Jones. Oh. Brooks Robinson. Ike Davis looks like a game code. Topps Attacks. Play online. Well, you can have that code. Anybody that might want it because it's on the video. Okay. So our 2015 Topps Update base and parallel cards of Francisco Lindor, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Joey Gallo, Byron Buxton, Noah Syndergaard, Eddie Rosario, Urshela, Jock Peterson, Tommy Pham, Matt Boyd. So quite a few we can keep an eye out for in this.
Noah Syndergaard.
Yeah, you'd like to see that one, huh? Also known as
Thor.
Yeah.
Jacob deGrom was the first Thor.
No. Matt Kemp, Andres Blanco, Michael Morse, Scott Kazmir, Yasiel Puig, parallel card, Mason Williams, foil rookie, Donis Garcia and Jeffrey Marte. Oh, there's a no Syndergaard rookie. Cool. So that's our first rookie in the Rookie Explosion box. Awesome. Mike Fultonways. Pretty cool one. Kevin Pillar, Future Stars. Cool. All right. Now we're on to 2016 Bowman. Paper and chrome prospect cards of Vlad Jr., Fernando Tatis, Alex Bregman, Jan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Trey Mancini, Mike Clevenger. Chrome autos of Alex Bregman, Jan Moncada, Victor Robles, Wilson Contreras, Paul DeJong, Tyler O'Neill. Okay. We got Jay Bruce, Edwin Encarnacion, David Peralta, AJ Reed Chrome, Kyle Cervase Jr. first, Bo Burrows. Well, that's a nice one. Hunter Renfroe, top 100. Trey Mancini first. Walker Buehler Chrome. That's a nice one. I like that. We collect Walker Buehler. And Nolan Nolan Arenado. Cool. Nice cards there. All right. So now we're at 2016 Topps Chrome. Base cards of Corey Seager, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Ketel Marte, Mondesi, Max Kepler, Blake Snell. Autos of Corey Seager, Trevor Story, Trey Turner, Ketel Marte, Mondesi, Max Kepler, Blake Snell, Aaron Nola, Jose Barrios, Julio Urias, and Lucas Giolito. So we have Russell Martin, Mark Melancon refractor, prism refractor, and Adrian Beltre. Cool. 2018 Chrome. Base cards of Ronald Acuna Jr., Shohei Ohtani, Gleyber Torres, Rafael Devers, Ozzie Albies, Walker Buehler, Victor Robles, Rhys Hoskins, and autos of Ronald Acuna, Ohtani, Torres, Devers, Albies, Buehler, Robles, and Hoskins. Look at that right there. First card in the pack. Gleyber Torres, Topps Chrome rookie. Beautiful. Gleyber Torres rookie. And look at the second card in the pack. Victor Robles rookie. Nice. Another rookie, Willie Calhoun. Refractor. And Trevor Bauer. That was a nice pack right there, bud.
Yeah.
Probably the nicest one so far. All right. So,
Topps 2018.
yeah, we're at 2018 Heritage High number. Base cards of Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Torres, Rafael Devers. Action variations of those guys. And autos possible of a lot of those guys. So. I don't think I ever hit an autograph in Heritage.
No, I don't think so.
We have Jordan Zimmerman, Garrett Cooper rookie, Brian Shaw, Blake Trinan, Windy City Wonders, Addison Russell and Javi Baez, Jamie Barria rookie, Drew Robinson, Adam Ottavino, and Hechavarria, not a friend of the Mets.
Not the front.
All right, 2018 update. Acuna, Soto, Ohtani, Torres, Austin Meadows, Michael Soroka, and image variations of those guys. Yeah, so we had a lot of luck with this last year. Nick Markakis All-Star Game. Brad Boxberger. Felipe Velasquez All-Star Game. Kyle Barraclough. Ian Kinsler. Jacob deGrom All-Star Game. Nick Kingham rookie. International Affairs Xander Bogaerts. Braxton Lee rookie. And Jacob Barnes rookie. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Okay. 2019. Let's see. 2019 Top Series 2. Oh, there you are. Okay. Yeah. The four rookies this year: Orlando, Tatis, Jimenez, and Guerrero Jr. Of course. And those four cards or printed at the end, and they're just slightly smaller than most of the rest of the series
Yep.
in size. We have Hunter Renfro, Valdez, Kenner Falefa, Feedy, Tucker Barnhart, Chance Cisco, Patrick Wisdom, rookie,
Ooh, a cup.
AJ Minter, Juan Lagares, Cody Reed, Leons Martin, Brock Holt, J. Reese Familia, and Fernando Rodney.
No, Peter Long.
And Rodney's going to have a chance to pitch in the World Series. Can you believe it?
No, I can't believe it.
All right, and then we have 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League. So we have base cards of Wander Franco, Jordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Seth Beer, Luis Robert, Jared Kelenic, variations of a lot of those guys, and also including Joe Adele and Tim Tebow, and autos of a lot of those, quite a few of those we already said. So haven't opened any of these yet. Alec Bohm, Kevin Smith, AJ Puck, Casey Mize, fresh on the scene, Ali Sanchez, Kyle Isbell, DJ Peters, oh, and a Seth Beer. Nice. Seth Beer from the Woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers.
Yeah, that's the name of the minor league team he plays for. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. That was
Good
pretty
break.
fun. Yeah. Enjoyed the rookie card explosion box. We had a few nice rookies out of that 2018 Chrome pack, in particular Victor Robles and the Gleyber Torres. And
Noah Syndergaard.
Noah Syndergaard rookie.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
And hit that bell, please, and thumbs up the video.